But to know more about how it's going to utilize that budget, what I recommend you do is hover over the budget here. It will tell you roughly, in this month of June, you won't be charged more than $3,040 for this campaign. Well, that's still kind of limited information, but if we click where it says View Budget Report right here, it's going to pop open the budget report for us to see how this all breaks down. Now we're about halfway through the month right now, and it's giving us the monthly limit up here at the very top, this gray line. It says $3,040. And then it's giving us an estimate of how it's going to trend over the span of the month, with the dotted line here being the monthly forecast. So it's telling us it's probably going to spend $2,880 out of that $3,000, right? Down here, you can see where it's saying you may spend up to 2x your daily budget in any given day, but you won't be charged more than your monthly spending limit. So what it's going to do is it's going to allow the budget to fluctuate up and down from day to day. Some days getting almost as high as 2 times the budget that we gave to it for the daily budget. So we set it at $100 a day. It might spend up to $200 a day in any given day. But other days it might spend $30, $20. This day it spent $10. This day it spent $25. This day it spent $173. And it's going to figure out over time what are the best days to spend your money on. And it's going to fluctuate the spend throughout the week and the month in order to try and get you the absolute best results possible, right? That's kind of the idea here. It's like budget optimization. And so just because you say, hey, I want to spend $100 a day, doesn't necessarily mean that every single day of the week you're going to be spending exactly $100. That just means that if you take the $100 and you multiply it by 30.4, which is the average number of days in a month, and that's the number Google Ads uses for that calculation, you're going to get 3,040, and it's going to limit you to only spend that amount throughout the span of the entire month. So you can see it says your campaign's monthly spend won't exceed $3,040. Your daily budget times the average number of days in a month, which is 30.4. So that's sort of how it's calculating things. And this, this budget breakdown, this budget report, can be really helpful to start to understand how we're tracking along this path and whether we're actually going to be spending the full amount or a portion of the amount that we desire to spend, or somewhere in the middle. So anyways, I hope you found this helpful. If there's anything you did have questions about, don't hesitate to reach out. Just drop your questions in the comments section down below, and we'll be sure to get back to them there.
Look, if you're the type of person that just doesn't even want to deal with Google Ads anymore, then you can always reach out to me. My company is Missoula SEO Geek. I'll leave a link to my website down below, but we do manage Google Ads for different companies in different industries, and you can come learn about what we do, what makes us unique. You can even read some of the testimonials from some businesses that we've taken from 0 to over $1 million in revenue, like this one here. And really just see that, this is the type of thing that's going to explode your business growth. So feel free to reach out. You can always give us a call or contact us through our website, and look forward to working with you.